In order to have a profitable business, every single business owner knows who their ideal customer is. And yet most photographers take their photography and spray it out to the world, hoping that they're going to grab a sale or build their profitable business. And it doesn't work that way. Hi, my name is Janice Sullivan, and I'm the Photography Creative Coach. And for decades, I have been helping photographers understand how to make beautiful work from their soul, teaching them the skills and really helping them make work. But within that time frame, I've seen tons of photographers, my clients included, not really understanding how to make their work profitable, how to make money from all the work that they love to do and be valued for what they do. So, with that said, I have changed my mission to help you build a photography business. This is not to brag. I just want you to understand that I am very knowledgeable about making big picture goals and completing them. Made covers, made thousands of dollars for one image by working with the hospitality industry. I've connected on the streaming devices, hitting 91 million people. I've been in shows. There's been a lot that I've done, but with all that said, I want you to know that I have focused on this by knowing who I wanted to attract. So you're probably asking, how do I do this, Janice? I don't even understand who is my client. I don't even know. I just like to make photographs from within my soul. Well, that's why I've made this guide for you. This is a guide with an audio to help you find your true ideal customer from within yourself that has the same values as you. And it's a step-by-step guide that will hit the mark on who your client is. So why am I giving you this guide? I'm giving this guide to you so you could trust me. I work with landscape, macro, and nature photographers in the fine art field, and also licensing their images out to build a business of their dreams. And that's what I want for you. If you're a photographer that has built a website and you're just getting crickets, or you're putting your images out to social media and nothing's happening, it's not your fault. It's because you don't know who your client is. And so you're spraying it off to everyone instead of connecting to your ideal customer. So grab this guide with the limited offer audio and start finding your clients today.